Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. As I mentioned before, we are going to Orlando. So today we are prepping for Orlando. I've got lots of things to do around the house before we leave. Pack a couple more things, get ready. Today's video is definitely going to be a little hodgepodge of just all of these things that I need to get done to prep for Orlando. I have been keeping all of these snacks and drinks here, protecting them, and now it's time to finally pack them up and put them to use. First things first, we actually have to put some of these drinks in the fridge so they're cold for tomorrow. We're getting up and leaving at 6 a.m. tomorrow, so we have to be completely prepared tonight so that we can sleep in just a tiny bit longer. I've got everything from sodas to ice drinks to Alani's just so that we don't have to buy stuff whenever we get there. Everybody say hi to Boone. Hi Boone, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. We're gonna miss him so much in this 1 week. And Trav. We're gonna miss Trav too, of course. But Boone's just gonna grow so much while we're gone. He's gonna be so much taller whenever we get back. I can just feel it. Aren't you, Boone? Because he's already gotten so much bigger. Let me show you. Oh! Look at him! He's so long! Oh, okay. Cheez-Its. Hey, get out of the snack bag, guys! Get out of the snack bag! Oh my gosh, I shouldn't have done this on the floor. Goldfish mint Oreos. If you have not gotten these yet, Starburst Jelly Beans favorite. Oh my gosh, they are my favorite. I will die on that hill. Nerd gummy clusters. Fruit snacks. I got both of us protein bars. Oh, here it is. Okay, it's actually not that heavy. I was just being dramatic. I almost forgot. I bought these Butterbeer Peeps in honor of going to Orlando. Everybody can have some. I bought enough for everybody to have 2. But if everybody doesn't like them, whatever. Another pro tip that I've learned from my mother is to bring Ziploc bags. Okay. So I think I'm going to bring 4 little ones. And then this one's usually 1 big one, just in case. Another pro tip, always bring some Walmart bags for trash in the car. Right now I've got myself a good book, my Bible journal, my iPad, my book light, iPad charger. Now for the fun stuff. I bought press-on nails because I didn't want to spend money on actual nails. I am already seeing an issue. They're too long, and these ones with the lemon on the tip, I can't really shape the way I want because then I'll take off the lemon. So I might have just wasted $8. Rest in peace, $8 nail kit. The nail kit was good to me and a good idea while it lasted, but then it crashed and burned pretty quickly. It is quite literally several hours later, but EJ ended up doing my nails. They look so good. We are now packing up the dogs to take them over to my parents' house. And then once we get back, look at my shadow, I'm huge. Once we get back, we got a couple small things to pack.
Well, I see you in your vlogging. Unlock the door.
What?
Unlock the door of the car.
Oh, you didn't ask me.
Now you're like a boot.
You didn't ask me. We're also gonna go through the car wash and we have to get gas. All right, the boys are loaded up. They don't even know they're gonna miss us for a week. We're gonna miss, oh, dang it.
What's going on?
He licked the camera. We stayed at my parents' house way too long. It's now 9:40 and we have to get up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. So we need to go home quickly. We're getting gas right now. And then we're gonna go home. I think the puppy dogs were very sad to leave us because they were definitely wanting to go with us. And we were like, sorry. Way to leave them.
I gas spew out at me the other day when I filled up my truck. Oh, son of a gun.
I was telling them that we stayed too late.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have to go to bed really quickly. And we're gonna have to pack quickly.
And we gotta take all the stuff out of the back. And we didn't get to wash or vacuum the car.
Nope.
Buns.
Well, as we were leaving our house, it was 8 o'clock, like on the nose. And that's when the car wash closed. So we definitely did not get to do that. Thanks. Throw it out. It's currently 5:10 a.m. and we are we're finishing up packing. We are gonna go over to his parents' house soon. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe so you can actually see our trip to Orlando. Next time I will see you, we'll be in Orlando. We'll see you guys next time. Deuces.